Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a tutorial on the brown smoky eye, the look I'm wearing right now. If you want to know how to get this look, then let's get on with the video. I'm jumping straight into priming my eyes. You can use any concealer of your skin tone for this. Once you're done priming your lids, do not forget to set the concealer down with some powder. Now onto eyeshadow. I'm using these two shades from Jaclyn Hill palette as the transition shades. You can use any warm tone brown palette for this look. Here I'm just building up the color and blending so that I can get the full effect of the colors. Now onto the star of the show. I'm applying this beautiful chocolate brown shade to my entire lid. I find that a matte brown smoky eyes is a lot more easier to wear than a black smoky eye just because it is a little softer and a little more diffused. Now taking these two shades, I'm really blending the dark matte shade into the crease, and that'll just help the colors look really nice and seamless, and it looks well blended together. And then going in with a clean fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending all those lines away. Here I'm just wiping away any fallout from the eyeshadow and prepping my skin for some primer. For primer, I'm going in with my Smashbox Primerixer as always. For foundation, I'm going in with Dior ForeverGlow mixed in with some Dior Face and Body Glow. To correct the darkness under my eyes, I'm going in with Becca's Under Eye Corrector. For concealer, I'm going in with two concealers, one from Too Faced Born This Way concealer for my under eyes, and to highlight I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm baking my under eyes with Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder, and I'm slightly setting my face. I'm not setting the whole of my face, I'm only setting the T-zone. Here I'm dusting off any excess powder. For cream contour, I'm going with this cream contour palette from Mercier. For this look, I'm also going with some liquid blush. The one I'm using is from M Cosmetics and it's in the shade Rose Milk. To set down that liquid blush, I'm going with some powder blush on top of it. I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury's Cheek to Chic blush in Ecstasy. Now surprise surprise, I'm not going with my butter bronzer for this look. I'm going with Too Faced Sun Bunny. I wanted that slight hint of glow in my bronzer. To set down all that powder in my face, I'm going in with my holy grail setting spray, the Urban Decay's All Nighter. Honestly, when I put this thing on my face, my makeup does not budge for 10 hours straight. After setting my face, while my face is a little bit damp from the setting spray, I go in with my powder highlight. I quickly jumped off camera and did my eyebrows, but here I'm just putting on some lashes. Honestly, no smoky eye looks complete without some lashes. Here I'm just putting on some Wispies from Ardell. I always find that once you've added your lashes on, your eyes kind of look a little bit different, so I'm just adding a bit more eyeshadow in areas that I feel like it needs and diffusing the crease a little bit more. For my mascara, I'm going with some Dior Overcurl Volume Mascara. With my Perversion eyeliner, I'm just tightlining my upper waterline. I'm working on my lower lash line now, and for that I'm taking a pencil brush and using the same colors I used for transition and smoking that out on my lower lash line. And again, going with a clean fluffy blending brush, blending all those lines away, and I find that doing this makes the whole smoky eye look blended, but also like clean at the same time. Here I'm just highlighting my inner corners with the same Dior highlighter that I used for my face. Now that the face is complete, we're now going to move on to lips. I'm going in with Kat Von D's Liquid Lip in Bow and Arrow. I found that color to be a little more cool tone for this look, so I added Lime Crime's liquid lipstick in Cindy, and the color that I wanted was spot on for this look. Lastly, to tie the whole look up, I'm lining my lips with some Make It Forever lip pencil in 5C. So here's the final look. I love a good smoky eye, but in particular, I love a brown smoky eye even more so. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video of 2020. That is all from me for now. I will see you in my next one. Bye!